Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Nordea transaction not showing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Nordea app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, sometimes the app does not refresh automatically and transactions may not appear right away. Next, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak connection can stop your account from updating properly. Then, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then log out of your account and log back in. This helps to refresh your account data, makes missing transactions appear. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Nordea app, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may not sync properly. Then if the transaction, keep in mind that sometimes transactions take time to process, especially bank transfer or international payments. Wait for a few hours and check again. If the transactions still do not appear, contact Nordea support for further help. That's how you fix the Nordea transaction not working. So do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.